welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a cleaning video. I've got bathrooms to clean, I've got things to tidy, we've just got some stuff to do. I'm also washing all of the bed sheets. Yes, thank you, Leighton. We just got back from Austin's Super Bowl game. They were undefeated until today, so Austin is very sad and in his room, but he played really well and they did such a good job all season long, and it's tough when, you know, you win all season but you lose in the end. So that's how we had to stop at the grocery store for a few things. I literally went to the grocery store yesterday, but I forgot to get a few things. And I went specifically looking for a small, like a whole chicken, and I couldn't find a small one. All they have were like big 6-pound ones because, as you saw in a video or two ago, I don't remember exactly, but we got a new air fryer, but it also has like a toaster oven and it has all these different features, and it's awesome. But it has like the rotisserie thing to make a rotisserie chicken. So I heard people say that they got small ones at like BJ's and Costco and stuff like that. So next time I am there, I will have to look for like some small chickens because I'm dying to make a rotisserie chicken. I was hoping that's what I was gonna have for dinner tonight. So I picked up some ground beef and we're going to do tacos. So these are just a few things that I got. We needed eggs because I forgot to get eggs yesterday. I thought we had more than we did, so I got some eggs. Austin picked these out, so I let him get those. Like I said, the ground beef for dinner tonight. We picked out some yummy treats. He also picked those out, and I forgot to get pirate booty yesterday for Leighton, and we just got some cheese to keep in the freezer. So I washed all of my makeup brushes today because they were absolutely disgusting. So everything is drying out here. They're pretty much dry, but I'm gonna get all of this all put away, and then I'm going to clean the bathrooms. I need to wash my floors. I cannot tell you the last time I have washed my floors. I know I'm usually doing it like every single week, but for some reason it's just gotten skipped over the last few weeks. So my floors desperately need to be washed. So we're gonna do some cleaning and, huh? You want some of the little candies? Yeah. Did you do such a good job? All right, so I put my sweats on and I am ready to clean. I also need to clean, Austin's room is pretty good. He's playing his Switch in here and just relaxing. Leighton's room looks like a bomb went off. It's mainly her closet, so it's not too bad, but I need to tidy in there. So I'm gonna start with the bathrooms and then probably wash the floor. The kitchen's nice and clean, huh?
It wasn't mine, it was Austin's and yours.
Oh no, yours is downstairs in the, yeah it is, it's downstairs. You left it in the stroller, the little baby stroller.
Oh yeah.
I got it, thank you. Leighton was just bringing up all of our cups from, I made her hot chocolate, I had some tea, and Austin's water, so. Leighton, you can just put it in the sink when you come up. So, like I said, the floors, my floors are disgusting. So, we are going to make a list. I am all over the place, and my ADHD is showing. So, let's take 5 seconds, make a to-do list, and get it together, because I can feel my brain is kind of all over the place today. So let's do that. I'll share with you my list, and if you're new, typically my videos are a little bit more organized and I'm not so all over the place, but usually I get myself together before then. But I'm gonna make my to-do list, but if you are new, I hope you consider subscribing, and let's get cleaning, organizing, all the stuffs. We're gonna get it all done today.
Yay!
Yeah!
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't Won't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
All right, the other bathroom's clean. I didn't film it because I figured it was pretty redundant. I did the same thing. The cleaner. I cleaned the shower, which we have like the glass door, which is always a disaster to try to clean. But Leighton is working on some chores. She is organizing.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. She is organizing her hair stuff. So she is going to work on that while I go check on the laundry. I'm gonna go check on the sheets. Anything that you don't need, Leighton, just throw out, okay?
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talked for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you.
Okay, note to self, don't try to empty the mop bucket water one-handed, because now I had to re-clean all that whole sink and like behind the sink and stuff. But how nasty was that water? Austin, what are you doing? Who's on the phone? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. But that water was disgusting. So, what do we have left? We need to make the beds. I already vacuumed. I already washed the floors. I need to tidy up Leighton's room. I need to upload receipts and make the bed. So I think I'm gonna tidy Leighton's room now. I have that stack of receipts to upload into Fetch Rewards. So we will do that probably last, and I'll show you how to do that. I always have a code in the description box, and then the dishes are piling up. We're going to need to put those in the dishwasher as well.
That we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. This being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
Kids, oh, there we go. Kids' beds are made. Our beds, our sheets are still drying. I tidied Leighton's room, and now I just need to upload my receipts. Let me grab my phone to show you how the app works. All right, so this is the first receipt that I uploaded, and hit submit. This is just a few things that I got the other day. So that's only 25 points, but still better than nothing. So we're gonna submit another one. And let's see, this was the big one. And you just scan. It tells you right on the side. It needs the store, the total, and the date. So it's got all three of those, so I can hit submit. That one got a 74. Excuse me. Let's see, here's another one. I haven't done this in a little bit. Snap another. Submit. That one got us 25. And then CVS. Another 25. So then I'm going to have it check my email because I've ordered some stuff from Amazon and probably a few other places too. So you just link your email in your Amazon and it searches for different receipts that you get through your email. So it's checking email and then it goes through and checks Amazon. It's taking a few minutes. There's probably a lot in my email. Alright, so it found a bunch of stuff. We only found 2, I guess. So, that's okay. But you can go through and you can earn points. You can get like Dunkin's gift card, Starbucks, CVS, Ulta, anywhere really, Amazon, all of that. So, and I think if you refer a friend, yep, you get 2,000 points, and the person that signs up gets 2,000 points. So it's definitely worth it. So I have the link down below in the description box. Ooh, I stepped outside. If you guys want to check it out, but it's just super simple. It's easier than having to like go in. I've used different other apps before and you have to like click the links and click off things before you actually buy them. So this is just a little bit easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.